Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Giselle, and it's getting down to the freaking wire for Valentine's Day. And if you're anything like me, you probably wait till the last minute to think of gift ideas, especially for Hallmark holidays like this one. So in today's video, I'm sharing 3 easy and creative last minute Valentine's Day card ideas. But before we get into it, be sure to subscribe down below for more videos like this one. Extra points if you have the little bell turned on. Huge shout out to So Furious, I hope I'm saying that right, for having her notifications on. And yeah, follow me on all my socials if you would like to, and let's just get into today's video. First up is this punny laptop card. First, I cut out 2 rectangles with rounded edges to look like the actual shape of a MacBook laptop, as well as a strip of cardstock that you'll be using later. Then I took these silver sticker decals which I made, which are also available in my shop for a limited time, so the link will be down below for that. And then I transferred those decals onto the cardstock pieces that I cut out previously. If you don't want to use decals, you can easily draw the keyboard and the Apple logo yourself for your card, but I find that using decals give it a more professional and clean look. For my keyboard, I put "You're hotter than the bottom of my laptop" because I thought that was pretty cute and punny with this whole card, but you can basically put any saying on the keyboard. Now take your strip of cardstock and fold it in half lengthwise. Make a line of hot glue on the bottom piece that is inside of the fold. Then lay the keyboard piece on top of it and press down. Lastly, apply hot glue on the top of the strip on the outside of the fold and line up the top of the keyboard piece. Next up is a super simple mason jar card where I took a piece of cardstock and cut down a piece of construction paper to fit the inside of the card so it looked framed like so. Then attach the purple paper to the cardstock with hot glue. And then folded the cardstock to create the actual card shape. Using a mason jar decal, again, you could draw it, but decals are great if you're not such a skilled drawer like myself, but want a specific image like this mason jar. After I applied the mason jar, I thought it looked pretty plain, so I decided to put a cute Valentine's Day quote to match the purple on the inside of the card. Lastly, I poked 2 holes with the sewing tool I had, but you can also unwind a paper clip and that would work just fine as well. Then from the inside of the card, I fed my twine through the holes and tied a little bow, and that's it. This card was super cute and super easy, and I think it would be so cute if you paired it with some flowers. The last DIY I have for you guys is this paper lipstick, which I actually saw on Instagram, and I'll link down the original creator of it down below because I take no credit for this genius idea. I just wanted to try it out, and I thought I would share my simplified version of it with you guys. You'll need corrugated paper or any type of textured paper, gold cardstock, as well as red cardstock or whatever color you want your lipstick to be. I first painted my corrugated paper white and then let it dry. Once it dried, I wrapped it around the toilet paper roll and attached it with hot glue. Next, I rolled the gold cardstock, but before sealing it together with glue, I made sure that it fit inside my toilet paper tube. Once it did, I glued it inside the toilet paper roll. For the red cardstock, you basically just want to repeat the same steps, then cut a little triangle at the top and then round the edges as well, like this. And you will also want to cut out a little piece that will fit the opening and glue it on. Once I completed the lipstick, I wanted to add a little Valentine's Day note with it, but since I have pretty terrible handwriting, you guessed it, I used the cute punny decal for this Valentine's Day note. I applied the decal onto the strip that I cut out and then taped it to the inside of the toilet paper roll, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, staying to the very end of this video. If you liked it, please do give it a like. And again, subscribe if you have not already so you don't miss any videos like this one. Also, I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day, whether you're single or taken or just living life. I hope you guys have a really great one. Valentine's Day is one of my top favorite holidays. I just feel like it's a really great day to really focus on love. I hope you guys have a really great one with your friends and family and whoever else in your life that is special to you. Also, all the decals that I made in this video are all linked down below. You can find them in my Etsy shop, and there is a discount code for you guys. And every time you guys make a purchase and say you're from my YouTube channel, I do give free decals in your packages, so don't forget to do that if you guys do decide to order from me. And yeah, I think that's all for today's video. Like I always say in the ends of my videos, there's so much negativity in the world, so be sure to only spread positivity down in the comments and of course wherever you go, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now.